in the bustling laboratories of St. Mary's Hospital, London. In September 1928, scientist Alexander Fleming hurriedly concluded another long day of research. Forgetful in the rush to embark on a brief vacation, he left petri dishes growing colonies of Staphylococcus bacteria scattered across his cluttered workbench, never suspecting that an act of carelessness might transform the future of medicine. The lab fell silent. As rain-soaked days passed, stale air collected around the abandoned petri dishes. On the edge of one dish, Fleming's absent-mindedness created an unusual visitor, a blob of blue-green mold. Across the agar surface, the encroaching fungus carved out a glistening ring of emptiness, where bacteria had vanished. Upon Fleming's return, he noticed the anomaly and leaned closer. He expected contamination, another ruined experiment. Instead, his keen mind saw a pattern. The bacteria tufts dissolved wherever mold crept. Fleming's curiosity replaced disappointment. Was this mold killing the bacteria? If so, how? The scientist isolated the mold and identified it as Penicillium notatum. He concocted preparations from the mold's juice, which surprised him even further. The solution destroyed colonies of deadly germs, Staphylococcus and diphtheria, while leaving blood cells unharmed. At first, Fleming called it simply mold juice. Later, penicillin. Excited, Fleming published his findings, yet few took notice. The world edged toward war. Laboratories lacked the technology to produce the drug at scale. For years, penicillin remained a scientific curiosity, miraculous in theory, impractical in use. It took another twist. The desperation of World War II. Soldiers wounded on muddy battlefields died, not from bullets, but from infections. A team of researchers in Oxford, led by Howard Florey and Ernst Chain, realized Fleming's forgotten discovery might save millions. Together, they unlocked mass production methods for penicillin. Suddenly, penicillin was everywhere. In hospitals, on the battlefront, on docks, in homes. Bacterial infections that once spelled doom, pneumonia, blood poisoning, meningitis, yielded to the power of an accident and nature's mold. The world's life expectancy soared. Fleming emerged as a hero, honored with a Nobel Prize for an act of near negligence. Today, medicines are engineered and calculated, but Fleming's story remains a humbling lesson. Sometimes, accidents and messy workbenches can change the fate of humanity.